1. Let's go. Okay, numbers revision, part 2. Which of the following decimals is the greatest? The biggest, which one? I think it's white. Click the white color. Okay, this is a quick one. We got 7 more seconds. Come on. I saw 73 people already answered. Okay, but are you sure you selected the correct answer? Very good. 52 of you answered the correct answer. Okay. It's common to think that more numbers after your decimal point, right? More numbers means bigger. Okay, because maybe you are used to not doing the decimal, the whole numbers, yes. When we are dealing with whole numbers, more numbers means bigger. Okay, but when we are dealing with decimals, we must see the place value because it's like inverted like that. Okay. Alright, I'll be talking more in a while at the solution. Those who are asking for the game pin, okay, you see at the bottom, look at the bottom of your screen, all the way to the bottom there, game pin, you can see 568624. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter that game pin. You can still join now. Okay, I give you 30 seconds. Anyone's joining in? Ten, 9, 8, 7. Okay, come, join. Okay, the game pin at the bottom of my screen. Just now there was 73. I think now if more people are joining in, we will have more people. It will be getting more exciting. Okay, come. Let's look at the rankings now, the leaderboard. See who's the top 5 right now. Well, we got a person with 1,000 points already. Okay, that's rare because usually when I do, right, the first question always like 900 points like that. Okay, this amiable panda must be really fast just now. Very good. Now we got snowy ostrich, a tropical emu, smart turtle, and a kind wildcat. Wow, it's a wildcat and it's kind. Wow. Okay. Yeah, those who just joined, right, you'll be on the waiting because I haven't go to the next question. Once I go to the next question, you'll be into that question. Alright, so just hold on a while. Don't quit. Okay? And those who are already in also, remember, don't quit. Okay? Once you quit, you lost your points. Okay? So, the number 5 is at 951 points. So, that's the point to beat to go into the leaderboard. But remember, the reward for today is for the number 1 position. Alright, come. Now, let's go to the solution. Okay, so the solution is, remember, after your decimal point, right, is a 10. Okay? So, it's like, think of it like money. Okay? Okay, in primary 3, you all learn money already. Or some school, even primary 2 also you already learn money. So, when you have money, right, the first decimal place is your like 7. 7, 0 means 70 cents, correct? Okay. Then second question is like 17 cents. Third question is like 17 with additional 7 there lah. Okay. So it's still like 17.7 cents or something like that. The fourth question is like 61 cents. So that's why the biggest is number 1. Okay. And also because of the place values and all that. Alright. So again, like I said just now, right, to get our past worksheets and the solution, okay, take a look at our MasterMaths Telegram. It's called MasterMaths PSLE. Alright. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Question number 3 now. Express 0.15 as a fraction in simplest form. Remember, simplest form. Okay, I heard in the past, right? Okay, nowadays you all must tell you simplest form, then you all do simplest form. In the past, there's no such thing. Alright? If you never put simplest form, means confirm wrong already. Okay, come, don't give answer, okay? Try your best. This one is P5, but if you are taking PSLE also, you can use it as additional practice. Okay, because after all, when you take PSLE, they will test questions from P4 all the way to P5. Even sometimes in PSLE also, some simpler questions like even P3 students also may know how to do also. Alright? Why a lot of you put 1/5? Okay? Alright, okay, so it's not that we break the numbers, okay? It's not like we take 1/5 or like 0.25 is 2/5, no, okay? When we convert, okay, remember 2 decimal place is over 100, okay? So you take the number, then you go backwards 2 times, that's why it's over 100. Okay, 2 decimal place is a denominator of 100. 3 decimal place, denominator of 1,000. 1 decimal place, denominator of 10, okay? So this 39 of you gonna get lots of points. Okay, the rest, okay, never mind. Okay, now, let's see. The panda stays at the top. Very good. Okay. Alright. Territrix. Very good motivational there. Okay. Yes, it's like percentage also. 15 is 15%. Alright. Yes, those who wants to join, the game pin is at the bottom. 568 624. Alright. And then we got a lot of people climbing up the leaderboard. Now the number 5 position is at 1,880 points. Okay, so come on, let's climb the ladder. Okay, let's see the solution. So like what I said just now, 2 decimal place, it's over 100. Okay, so it's 15 over 100. And when we reduce to simplest form, we get 3/20. We divide by 5, divide by 5. Remember, simplest form is when you divide by a common factor. Okay? Yes, chicken mancha. Correct. Yes, this is Kahoot. Okay? So those who just joined the live, click on the follow button. Okay? At the same time, share to your friends and join the Kahoot. We only at the second question. You still got more chance to join. Okay? So yeah, just now simplest form, you divide by 5, you get 3/20. Okay? Okay, you see all those who did PSLE last year also see, they still got such question also. Okay? So yeah, PSLE testing question from P4 to P5 to P6. Alright. Okay, those who are new, all join already? Confirm? Join already? Okay, now let's go to question number 3. Express 4 and 3/7 as an improper fraction. This one not difficult, right? But the calculation to multiply, to add, I'm already giving hints there, okay, in case those who forget how to do this. Okay, that's why I give you a bit more time. Okay, come on, don't put answers on the chat, alright? And you may never know, maybe it's wrong. Then everybody will be selecting the wrong answer. How? No lah, depends. PSLE, I mean the prelims is usually depends on the school. Not every school gonna be difficult, not every school gonna be easy also. Usually I try to go like a middle ground. Okay. Very good. 51 of you got the correct answer. Okay. So we're gonna see lots of changes, right, on the leaderboard. Okay. The panda managed to stay at the first spot. Very good. And the emu and the panda is very close. The emu and the panda fighting each other. Okay. Right. So there are like difference of how many points is that? 36 points. Yeah. Okay. So there are only difference of 36 points. Okay. The emu can take over the first place if the panda slow down a bit. Okay. And then we got the falcon, dynamic falcon also. Very close also. Alright. Okay, don't worry. The questions here can be done by P4 students also. Alright, so feel free to challenge yourself. Who is the panda? I don't know. I think Kung Fu Panda. Alright, so we have also a wise luck, okay, who's actually have a streak with 3 correct answers already. So he have a chance to actually even take over some of you already. Alright, okay, now let's go. So when you want to convert an improper fraction to mixed number to improper, okay, what we do is we take the denominator, multiply by the whole number plus the numerator. Okay, remember, I always remember by this cycle. Okay, take the denominator plus the whole number, denominator multiply by the whole number, then add to the numerator. Okay, if some of you try to recall, right, when you first learn your fractions in primary 3, alright, you remember they always draw that box for you, right? Like this one, denominator of 7 means it's like a box that cut into 7. Remember that? Okay, so yeah, model, very good. Okay, so that kind of box, we got 4 of it. Alright, that's why 7 times 4. Then you plus 3 more box extra. Okay, that's why 7 times 4 plus 3. Okay, that's how you can try to remember the step. So that's how we ended up with 31. Okay. Alright, thank you 𝐂𝐨𝐚𝐜𝐡 for sharing the live. Okay, for those who are new, okay, just join this live, probably from someone who shared with you, okay, or while you're scrolling, you saw this. Okay, if especially while you're scrolling and you saw this live, hold on. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it, enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen here, 568624, and challenge yourself and your friends and see who can get more points. Okay, for those who just joined, okay, for some reason you got lucky and you got a top spot and you managed to beat the amiable panda that is currently holding the top spot, you will win a $10 popular voucher. Okay, alright, so are we ready for the next question? Okay, we got 7 questions today. Okay, the last 2 later we'll be doing some problem sums. Okay, now let's go to question 4. What is the value of 1944 divided by 7 correct to the nearest 100? What does that mean when I say correct to the nearest 100? So how do we do this? How do we do this divide? Don't even need to calculate. Wow, very smart. Okay, hundreds. Which one? Divide, don't multiply. Divide, not multiply. So which one? Yes, 10 and hundreds, correct. Okay. Alright, nearest 100 means to the nearest 2 decimal place. Okay, remember the first one is a 10. Okay, followed by the second one is called a 100. Alright, only on the left of your decimal point, your whole numbers, that's where you start with a 1, 10, 100. But on the right, okay, it starts with a 10, with a TH, followed by the 100 with a TH. Okay? So, for those who thought that 100 means 1 decimal place for some reason, okay, that's how you ended up with yellow lah. Okay? For those who run off to nearest whole number, that's how you may end up with blue. The red, I think you accidentally pressed to the left. Okay. Alright, thank you, 𝐂𝐨𝐚𝐜𝐡. Where are you sharing all this? You constantly share. Okay, for those who just joined, okay, my name is Coach Mo. I'm from MasterMaths. Okay? Okay, alright. So, you can join this Kahoot by going to www.kahoot.it, okay, and enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen. At the bottom, all the way to the bottom there, you can see 568624. Alright? Yeah, alright, so let me talk about MasterMaths after I go through the solution. Alright? Wow, the top 3 remains. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, we got the Meow Panda, Tropical Emu, and Dynamic Falcon. Okay, holding on strong to the top 3. Okay, and we got new contender. We got the Rockstar Rooster. How do you become a rockstar and a rooster? Okay, and a Magic Piranha. Another character with a magic name in front. Okay, don't use your magic to win this. Okay, I had a life where there was a person with a magic keyword in front and then ended up getting the first place. Alright, so when we divide, okay, can you see here, we started off with that 1944. I used the 19, the first 19 in front. Okay, the 19, I divide by 7. So, closest multiple of 7 to 19 is 14. That's why I put a 2 at the top, then I minus 14. Okay, then I got a 5. I bring down the next number, that's why it become 54. 54, closest multiple of 7 is actually 49. So 49, I minus 49, I got a 5 and I put a 7 at the top. Okay, the second 7 that you see there. Okay, the first 7. Then, we are not done yet. We got another 4 to bring down. I bring down the next 4. I still got a 54. Again, I minus 49 and I write a 7 at the top. But I have a remainder of 5. That means, what I need to do is, I need to put a point 0 and put a point at the answer, bring down that point 0, okay, and we got a 50. Again, it is 49. Closest multiple of 7 is 49. So I put a 7 at the top, I minus 49, and I get a 1. And then, still got remainder, and because we want to make to nearest 100, so we need 2 decimal place. So I bring down another 0, I put another 0, I bring down, okay, become 10, minus 7, got 3. We are not done yet, okay. To round off to 2 decimal place, we need 3. 1, the third one, round off to make it 2 decimal place. So I put another 0, I bring down 30, 28, and I put a 4 at the top. Alright, so that's how I ended up with 277.714. And I round it off because we look at the 1 and the 4. The 4 is a rounding down number, so I round down. That's how I ended up with 277.71. Okay. A-Maths student, come on, challenge yourself. Okay. Maybe you can answer the fastest. You can, who knows? Okay, the last 3 questions you can get a very good score and you can get the top prize for today. Okay, come on, welcome. Okay, so yeah, remember, just I was saying, right? We are on YouTube also. Okay, our YouTube channel is called MasterMathsTV. All right, you can search for MasterMathsTV. All right, and then you can view all our previous recorded live. Okay, additional practice for you also. At the same time also, you can go down to this Telegram channel you see here, MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, and then it's not live on YouTube. It will be eventually the recorded will be on YouTube. Okay, yeah. So you can go to our Telegram channel to get additional practices. Okay. At the same time, like I said just now, we are from MasterMaths. Okay, we are at 4 different locations. Okay, we are at Farrer Park. Okay, we are at Woodlands. We are at Tampines. We are at Jurong East. There is also an option for a purely live, purely online classes. Alright, so there are like basically 5 options lah. Okay, Sengkang you can go to Tampines okay, or Sengkang is like in between. You can either go Tampines or you can go Farrer Park. Okay, yeah. So for me, okay, I'm teaching the primary 3 to 5 and the P6 also. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so for those who never seen me before, my name is Coach Mo. Okay, remember that. Alright. Alright, so now we are going to question number 5. Get ready. Solve the following. Vignesh went to a supermarket to buy a box of milk at $5.50. Must be a big box. A can of Coke that cost $2 and a pack of sweets that cost $3.50. He gave the cashier $10. Is it enough or is he short of cash? So how? 90 more seconds. That's why don't too rush also. Must be accurate also. I think it's purple. I think purple. If the purple you press, it doesn't go to the next question. You press yellow. Why suddenly come out debit, credit all? I'm not teaching accounting. Purple, yes, purple. Pink. Pink also can, okay? You try your luck, see you get the points or not. Alright, 38 of you already answered. What about the rest? Come on. Some of you were already saying, easy. No, it's not. Maybe yes, maybe no. That's why you never answer? Only 39 people answer. Okay, so remember it's about he went to a supermarket. Okay? Okay, can you all see the question again? Okay, that is a good starting point, but the question here is about did he paid enough or not? Or is he short of cash? Okay? Very good. Okay? 41 of you answered correctly. Okay? 6 of you thought that $10 should be correct. Okay? And then the yellow and green, I don't know how you all got the yellow and green. Debit, expense, credit, cash. Okay. The panda and the emu stays, and the rockstar rooster now climbed up. It might come as an MCQ, or it may also come as a section B question. Okay, Rizwana? Okay. For my end, when I do the Kahoot, sometimes it doesn't mean that the question that I put as MCQ is really an MCQ question. Sometimes I just put it so that it's easy for you to select. But usually the problem sums, I will put it in a way where it's for you to write the answer. Okay? We have someone called Buns, okay, that climbed 37 places. Wow. Okay, so now remember the number 5 spot is at 4,676 points. Okay, so for you to climb up, okay, you can see your point on your phone, right? You know how many you need to climb. Okay. Alright, now let's see how do we do this. So it's the same like when you go to a shop, right? The auntie at the counter, when they scan, right? They are actually adding up the price of the items, correct? So we need to add up the price of the items. We don't have a cashier machine, right? That you can bring to your exam. Okay, so you need to add correctly. So when we do $5.50 plus $2 plus $3.50, what we get is $11. But he paid $10, right? Okay, so did he pay correctly, or is it not enough? So he's short of cash, right? Maybe he only got $10. He only got that $10 in his wallet, so he just took out and give the cashier, but it's not enough. So by how much did he short off? Okay, we take 11 minus 10 and we got $1. Alright. Okay, everybody okay? Anyone got any questions to ask? That is related to these math questions, of course. Okay, all good? Okay, so for those who've never played Kahoot before, what you do is you go to www.kahoot.it, okay, and enter the game pin at the bottom of my screen. You can see at the bottom, all the way to the bottom there, there's 568624. Alright? Okay, and you can still join in also. Okay, so if it's the first time that you're seeing this live, remember, follow us. Okay, I'm not sure, left or right. Okay, you can see that plus button at the top, okay, or is it at the center? Okay, see that plus button, press that plus button. Okay, follow us. Okay, follow us already, you can share this live. Okay, get your friends to join in, okay, and then challenge them also. Okay, alright, so now we're going to go to the problem sums. Is everyone ready? Okay, those who just joined, you're joined ready? The Kahoot, or you just viewing on it? Come, join. Okay, so get ready. Problem sums means probably you need to do some steps, need to do some working. Alright, so get ready some writing paper, okay, your pencil to write. Okay, I give you all like 1 minute, get ready. Okay, probably you need to do some working after this. You need to do whichever you are familiar with, okay? You need to do some models or do some diagrams. Okay? Is everyone alright? Okay, now let's go to the next question. And we will be having double points. So if you got it correct, okay, you can jump very high. Bobby had thrice as many stems as Amanda. Bobby then gave Amanda 16 stems. In the end, Bobby has twice as much as Amanda. How many stems do they have all together? Okay? There is a reason why I never specify all together at first or all together in the end. There is a reason there. Okay, we got one more question after this. I cannot tell the answer now lah. Okay, you must try first. Okay, come try. Okay, we got 3 more minutes. Okay. So get some writing materials. Okay, and start writing down your steps. This one is on stems, not on money. Okay, 2.5 more minutes. Come on. Okay, the clue here is that initially tries as many. And then after that, Bobby gave Amanda 16 stems. In the end, Bobby got twice as much as Amanda. Okay, the hint here, right, is that when they give each other, alright, what happens to their total? For those accounting students, right, when you balance the balance sheet, what happens to the total? So what happens here? So it's like Bobby give to Amanda. Alright? What happens to their total? That's a clue. Okay? Yes, especially where it doesn't balance during O levels, stress, or during exams. 48? What is 48? Don't anyhow throw answer. 80 more seconds. Okay. Alright, keep those likes coming in also if you are done. Okay. Press the like button. I did POA in secondary school. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Which part did you not read properly? Hello, Kimi. Okay. No, cannot do try and error. Okay. How many stems do they have all together? Not just Amanda, not just Bobby, but all together. Okay, the hint here, remember, what happens when they give each other? Alright, what happens to their total? Did it increase, did it decrease, or did it stay the same? Very good, very good. Okay. How many answered? Oh. Nobody answered 384. Alright, don't worry. Okay, let's see the solution. Maybe the next question, okay. Okay, now I give you a hint. In the next question is going to be almost the same step, the same method. Okay. So now, when I go through, try to apply it on the next question, okay? Okay, so now, if you see here, I put Bobby's amount and Amanda's amount and the total in a before, change and after. Okay? Okay, I'm going to go to another document on my iPad, okay? Yeah, it's something like ratio also, okay? But you may see your phone shows connecting. Okay, just ignore and stay. Don't exit the Kahoot. Alright? Hold on, okay? Okay, don't exit the Kahoot, okay? Okay, so here, what we have here is, initially Bobby is 3 units. 3 units, 1 unit is Amanda, right? Because twice as many. Okay, then total is 4 units. So in the after, because in the end Bobby is twice as Amanda, right? Here Bobby is twice as Amanda. So I put as 2 parts and 1 part. Alright, then imagine it this way. Bobby got $10, Amanda got $15. Total is 25. But if Amanda gives $2 to Bobby, then it will be 12 and 13. 12 plus 13 is also 25. Those who are showing connection issue, don't touch anything. Don't exit the app. Okay, stay. Okay. So remember your total remain the same. So what I do is this 4 and this 3, I make them the same. Okay. So I multiply by 3 and multiply by 4. So when you multiply the before by 3, everything else I multiply by 3. Okay, and the after also, if I multiply by 4, everything else I multiply by 4. Then 9 units, 3 units now. And the after is 8 units and 4 units. You see the change from 9 to 8 is reduced by 1 unit. From 3 to 4 is increased by 1 unit also. That's why 1 unit is 16. And we want to find total 24 units. Why? Because 12 plus 12. They're asking for all together. Okay? That's why times 24. Okay? Alright, now let's go back to the next question. Okay? Hold on, it will be connected. Next. Okay, so now the game pin is at the bottom of my screen, which is 568624. Okay? Okay, come. So for this question, like I said just now, right? It is also the same. Why? Because, wait, let me adjust my screen. 568624. Okay, so you see here, one person increase, the other person decrease, right? Okay, so the same thing also. Total still doesn't change. Okay, who increase? Aiden decrease, Ashraf increase, right? So the total from go down then go back up again. So it still remain the same. Alright? Okay, so is everyone ready? Okay. Yeah, the total doesn't change. Correct. Okay. Okay. Alvin, later I'll check again. Okay. Okay. Okay, come. So now another 4 more minutes for this. Okay, like I say, it's actually the same thing. It's just that instead of Aiden giving to Ashraf, okay, so it's supposed to be instead of Aiden giving to Ashraf, is Aiden goes down, Ashraf goes up. Okay. Okay, 3 more minutes. But here the units are different. Okay, because here is they started off with twice as much, but in the end they have an equal amount. Okay. Okay, don't worry, Alvin. Later after this, I'll check it again. Okay. But just now nobody got any points lah. Okay. Okay, so this is like the final one that will help you to, especially those in the top 5 position. Okay. About roughly 2 more minutes. Okay, come on, try your best. Okay, it's the same thing like just now. Remember, we need to make the total the same. Okay, don't worry, there will be other life also. Okay, that you can, there will be some more Kahoot that you can try. But not today lah, today only one Kahoot. Okay, 1.5 more minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, remember, you need to make the total the same. Okay. So how? This is the last question for today. Okay, don't worry, there will be more live. It's a special live software. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you are the rockstar rooster. No wonder you're very nervous, okay? Okay, don't worry. All the best. Come on, try your best. Are you sure it's 252? Alright, last question for today, and it's 40 more seconds. You see, giving out answer, people not happy. So don't give out answer. Okay, just try your best. Alright, 20 seconds more. Let's go, let's go. 10 more seconds. Okay, then we'll know who is the top scorer for today. Yes, 252. There are 10 of you who wrote 252. Okay. Okay, so for this question, Aiden has twice as much Lego as Ashraf at first. Okay, Aiden used 63 pieces and Ashraf bought another 63 pieces. Okay, why? As in, why are people saying not fair, not fair? Oh, the position that your jump reduced to, is it? Okay. Aiden used 63 and Ashraf bought a 63, right? So that's why I say go down, go up. So that's why your total remain the same. Okay, they have an equal amount of Lego in the end. Alright, and how many pieces did Ashraf have at first? So same thing like just now. Aiden is 2 units, Ashraf is 1 unit. So total is 3 units. Okay, and then after that, the change is 63 and 63, but in the end, they are equal, right? So it's 1 part and 1 part. So you end up with 2 parts. So that 2 parts, I multiply by 3. The initial before total, I multiply by 2. Okay? And you got 6 units and 6 units. Alright? So making the amount, the units the same is actually not, it's something that P5 students also are tested. Yeah. Okay, so when I split the 6 units equally into 2, I got 3 units and 3 units. So we can see that the 4 units decrease to 3 units and the 2 units increase to 3 units. So the 1 unit is the 63. Okay? So the 1 unit is 63 and they're asking for Aiden at first. That's why I find 4 units is 252. Alright, so for those who think that you may be the top student for today. Very good. Okay. Okay, good job, Tunita. Okay, Kion, don't worry, relax. Okay, there will be more life to come. Okay, and you can always try again. Alright, so for those who thought that you got a feeling you were on the leaderboard, okay, and maybe you may have got the top prize for today, scan the QR code now or take a screenshot. Okay, and you need to enter later. Once you confirm got the top prize, you need to go into this QR code and enter your details lah, like your Kahoot name and all that. Okay, so now we're gonna go see the leaderboard. Next, let's go. Number 3, Magic Piranha. They're using the magic. And then number 2, we got the Tropical Emu. Number 1, Amiable Panda. Okay, so actually a special shout out. Good job. Okay, the Amiable Panda and the Tropical Emu was number 1 and number 2 from like the first question all the way. Good job. Okay, good job. Alright. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, the Amiable Panda. Okay, remember you need to scan this QR code, okay, to claim your prize. Okay. Very close, Kira, very close. Okay, don't worry, we'll be back. Okay, so for our future live, okay, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, you can find us on Facebook also. Follow us on TikTok, okay, for future life. Alright, so my name is Coach Mo. Thank you everyone and see you all next time. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, so the top student just on Amiibo Panda, remember to scan. For now, we'll be not doing any IG live, okay? But we will be on TikTok, okay? But we are on IG, you can follow us on IG also. Alright, thank you everyone, bye-bye. Okay, all the best, Kion. Bye-bye.